Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a hair oil that will help treat hair loss and also help to regrow your hair. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So to start off with this recipe, I'm going to be starting off with 1 cup of extra virgin coconut oil. And the reason I'm using coconut oil is because it is a natural way to help your hair grow longer, thicker, and faster. The vitamins and fatty acids naturally found in coconut oil help to nourish the scalp and help to remove sebum buildup from your hair follicles. I'll be adding a 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds, and fenugreek seeds help in treating dandruff, itchy, and flaky scalp, treating hair loss, triggering hair growth, and adding the lost shine to your hair, and also helps to regrow your lost hair. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of hibiscus. Hibiscus is useful in boosting hair growth as it is rich in vitamin C, which stimulates collagen production. It is rich in amino acids, which strengthens the hair and nourishes your hair roots, which keeps your hair healthy. It also helps condition your hair, prevent hair loss, dryness, and frizziness. So I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. I'm just going to stir all the ingredients together. If you choose not to do this method, you can also place all these ingredients into a mason jar and place it into a cabinet and let it sit for about a week to 2 weeks to allow the ingredients to infuse into the oil. Also, if you have a crock pot, you can fill the crock pot up with water, let the crock pot to simmer, and then just place your mason jar with all the ingredients in it into the crock pot and let it sit for about 3 to 4 hours. This is what the oil looks like after about 20 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove it from the stove and let it cool down. Once it has cooled down, I'm just going to use this strainer and I'm just going to strain the ingredients from the oil. So now I'm just going to take the oil and place it into an applicator bottle so that way it's easier to apply to the hair. So when it comes to this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil, and you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. When using it as a hot oil treatment, just apply it to your scalp and your hair and massage it in, and then you can sit underneath a heated cap or a steamer or a blow dryer for about 20 minutes, and afterwards you can wash it out. And when using it as a scalp oil, you can just incorporate it into your moisturizing routine. Also, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. And all you have to do is just massage it into your scalp and then apply it throughout the rest of your hair down to your ends. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.